Hello everybody. On behalf of Government of Telangana, we would like to introduce a first of its kind platform called Dost. Degree Online Services Telangana is a platform which was launched in the year 2016 with a primary motto in providing integrated undergraduate admissions for all the students based out of Telangana and other places. So in this video, let's focus and see the first three important points in the process. Starting with step 1. Pre-registration for the candidates, and step 2, registration fee and its payment, and finally let's look at the application form filling. So before getting started, there are a couple of prerequisites a student need to follow. Prerequisite number 1, a student who is applying through Dost ID should ensure his or her Aadhaar number is linked with a mobile number. Please note, if you fail to have a mobile number of your own, you may use your parents' mobile number or any of your guardian's mobile number to link it with your Aadhaar card. To link your Aadhaar number with a mobile number, you may do it so with three different options. You can do it by visiting the nearby Aadhaar updation center, or you can visit a post office, or you may also visit the nearest Mi Seva center to register your mobile number with your Aadhaar card. Also, it's your responsibility to ensure to keep the mobile number active throughout the admission process of Dost. And keep in mind that one mobile number has to be linked with one Dost ID only. To make the student's life a little easier, Dost platform has introduced HLC's helpline centers to receive help on your admission process, and other board candidates ensure to visit for your certificate verification. So in this process, let's look at the three important steps: the pre-registration, the registration fee payment, and application form filling. So for the pre-registration process, let's look at the three different options that are available.
The candidate pre-registration process can be performed using three different methods. The first one, using your laptop or desktop. Now enter the website that is being displayed on the screen. Once you enter, you see the similar screen appearing in your browser. Now click Candidate Pre-registration option as shown. Once you click it, the application form that you see here will appear. Please note all the fields here are mandatory. Starting off with your qualifying board, enter the intermediate or its equivalent qualifying board. If you belong to Telangana, select this option, otherwise other board. Now enter your hall ticket number along with your date of birth. Also enter your Aadhaar card number along with the mobile number that is linked with your Aadhaar card. Now click on the checkbox to declare your acceptance towards filling the application. Now enter the CAPTCHA, the image that is shown on your left hand side, and then click for Aadhaar authentication as shown. If you enter the wrong CAPTCHA, it will show a prompt, so enter the correct CAPTCHA and again click on the Aadhaar card authentication option shown in the green button. Now enter the OTP one-time password that is sent to your mobile number through an SMS. Once that is done, the screen appears confirming your pre-registration status. Please make a note of your Dost ID for future references. Now, let's look at the registration fee payment process. Click on the Proceed for Payment option as you see. Enter your Dost ID you might have just received, and now enter the CAPTCHA as you see in the above image. Once you enter the CAPTCHA, click on the Proceed to Payment option that you see below. Once you click on that option, you will see the similar screen. The payment gateway is as similar as to any of the other apps that you see in today's world. You may select it from three different options: 1, the Telangana wallet, the 2, BillDesk, and 3, Atom. And now let's click on the BillDesk option and click Proceed to Payment. Then the screen will redirect you to this particular page. Enter your card details along with the expiration date, the CVV and the CVC, and the cardholder name. Once you enter all the required details, click on the option Make Payment. And again, you would be receiving a OTP to your registered mobile number of your credit or debit card. Enter the OTP and click on Submit. And this is the screen which confirms your application fee payment. Please note down your transaction ID for future references. Now let's see the second method of filling your application. You can do that by using the tAppfolio app. Visit Google Play Store and type tAppfolio to download the tAppfolio app. Now click on install and wait for the installation process to be completed. Once the app is installed, click on open to open the app. Once the app is opened, you can perform the application form filling very easily. After the app is opened, click on DOST authentication. Provide your consent and start filling your details as requested, starting with your name and any other details as asked. Once the details are entered, click on proceed to upload your photograph. Please confirm the details and click proceed to pay. You may select from one of the three payment options and continue to your payment. Once you successfully completed the payment procedure, you will be redirected to the page as shown. This is the page that you would see if the payment is successful. Now note down your transaction ID for further references. You may also get your transactions by going to your My Recent Transactions in your application. You will receive the same thing through an SMS as well. Clicking on the SMS, it will redirect you to the DOST authentication final transaction page history as well. And finally, the application form filling can also be done by visiting your nearby MiSeva center.
Pre-registration and the payment has been completed. Let's look at the important step of filling your application.
For the application form filling, from the main page, click on Candidate Login and then enter your DOST ID and the PIN associated with it. Once you enter these both details, then enter the CAPTCHA as shown. Once you finish entering the CAPTCHA, click on the Sign In button below it. This is the home page that you would see for the application form filling. Now click on Application Entry, which will redirect you to this particular page. Certain fields from the candidate pre-registrations are already automatically filled. Please note, all the fields which are marked in red as shown are mandatory. So now fill in the fields which are empty, starting with your WhatsApp registration number followed by your email address. Once you have finished giving your email address, please upload the student photograph from your local system. Now that you have uploaded the student photograph, come down the application form and fill the fields which are still yet to be filled. Please select the appropriate option from the drop-down list. Once you are done filling all the fields that need to be filled, come down and again fill in the other details which are yet to be filled. After providing the basic details, provide your permanent residential address. If both of your permanent and the present address are the same, click on the checkbox as shown. Now in the other details column, fill in your father mobile or your mother contact numbers as shown, or you may also fill your guardian contact number. Please note that these fields are not mandatory. After which, you need to fill your caste and subcaste details. As displayed on screen, if you fall under any of these categories, please select them accordingly. If you are a child of a railway employee, please select that option, or an NCC, or any other achievements in NCC, please select the options appropriately. After which, you may also select any games or sports reservations that you might have. Please remember to upload the appropriate documents involved and included along with it. If you are a physically challenged person, select the option that is shown and click on Yes to upload your documents. After which, you need to fill in your previous 7 years study details, the school, the colleges that you have studied for the past 7 years. Once that is completed, come down and give your acceptance by declaring the checkbox. And also, don't forget to enter the CAPTCHA as shown. Click on the preview button to go through the application and find any errors that you might have. Once everything is in place, click on the submit button as shown. Once you click on the submit button, it will redirect you to the successful page after filling the application form. This is the application form. So once you have clicked submit, this is the form that you would see confirming your status of application as successful. You may have to save this as your PDF for your further references.
We have learned 3 important steps in the admission process. In the following video, let's focus on the other 5 steps of the admission process. Thank you.